In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade options on Tradingview. First, head to the main chart page for the asset you want to trade. If you don't see it yet, use the search bar at the top to look up the symbol and select it from the results. Once the price chart loads, look to the right-hand toolbar and click the options icon. This opens Tradingview's options panel, where you can browse contracts for the asset you are viewing. Use the filters to narrow down contracts by expiration date and strike price. Expiration determines how long the contract is valid, while the strike dictates the price level tied to the option. Shorter expirations move faster and decay more quickly, whereas longer ones provide more time but typically cost more. Choose the range that fits your plan. Click a specific contract to load its dedicated chart along with the Greeks. The Greeks, like delta and theta, help you understand how the option's price might change with movements in the underlying asset or over time. Take a moment here to assess liquidity, the bid-ask spread, and whether the contract aligns with your strategy. Next, open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. From here, select your connected broker if you are trading live, or choose paper trading for a risk-free simulation. Paper trading is great for practicing the workflow and getting comfortable with orders before committing real capital. Click the trade button and choose whether you want to buy for a long position or sell for a short position. Buying typically benefits from upward moves in the option's value, while selling benefits when the option loses value, but involves additional risk considerations. In the order panel, set your order type, such as limit for a specific price or market for immediate execution at the current price. Enter the contract quantity and confirm the expiration you intend to trade. Double-check the details so they match your plan and the contract you selected earlier. After sending the order, manage the position from the bottom panel where active positions and orders are listed. You can also interact directly with the chart. Drag your working orders up or down to adjust prices visually. This is a fast way to refine entries, exits, or take profit and stop levels as the market evolves. That's the full workflow from chart to trade and back to management, all inside Tradingview. Practice in paper trading first if you are new, and build confidence before going live. Thanks for watching.